What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. To start, open YouTube and find the video you want to share. Below the video title and next to the like and subscribe buttons, tap on the share button. From the sharing options, select copy link. This copies the video URL to your clipboard. Next, open Instagram and select the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post, and then select story. You can either take a photo instantly or tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner to select a suitable photo from your Photos app. Once it's on the screen, use 2 fingers to resize or reposition the image however you like. Now, it's time to add the link. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Then select the link sticker from the options. In the URL field, paste the YouTube link you copied earlier and tap Done in the top right corner. You can then move and resize the link sticker on your story. Feel free to customize it further by adding text, emojis or other stickers to make it engaging. If you're ready to publish, tap Your Story in the bottom left corner. Your followers will now be able to tap the link and watch the YouTube video directly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.